guys, so I'm gonna teach you on how to make cotton slime. So first, we're gonna need a bowl and a cotton. If you want it to be wet, you can wet it, or if you want it to be dry, you can wet it if you don't want it to be dry. So first, we're gonna put some shampoo. So I'm gonna use this one. So like that. You can put how much you want.
I'm so excited to see you. And I'm so happy that it's a girl kasi from the first day that I knew
You can put some color in it too, but I don't want
But I just said
so.
that you're a boy sa video. What's
Look, it's now a cotton slime.
But then you're still a girl. So I'm so happy.
It's already a slime.
I'm excited to see you.
So that's it.
Really happy that
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Love you guys.